Yoga is an ancient practice. It comes from India. Yoga connects the mind and body. People have practiced yoga for thousands of years. Yoga uses physical postures. These postures are called asanas. Yoga also includes breathing exercises. It focuses on mindfulness. Yoga is for everyone. It doesn't matter your age or fitness level. You can practice yoga. Find a class that suits your needs. Yoga has many benefits. It improves flexibility and balance. Yoga strengthens muscles. It can also reduce stress. Yoga helps with relaxation. It connects your breath to your body. Yoga can improve your sleep. It can boost your mood. Yoga can help with back pain. It can ease anxiety. Yoga promotes self-awareness. It encourages self-care. Regular yoga practice is beneficial. It can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Yoga can improve overall well-being. Starting yoga is easy. It's a wonderful way to improve your physical and mental well-being. There are many resources available. From online tutorials to books and apps, you can find a wealth of information to guide you. You can find yoga classes near you. Local studios often offer beginner classes, which can be a great way to start. You can also practice yoga online. Choose a beginner-friendly class that suits your schedule and comfort level. Look for a qualified instructor. They can provide valuable guidance and ensure you're practicing safely. It's important to listen to your body. Start slowly and gently. Wear comfortable clothing that allows you to move freely. Use a yoga mat for cushioning. It provides support and helps prevent injuries. Don't worry about being perfect. Yoga is about self-acceptance and personal growth. Focus on your breath and movement. Remember to be patient. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. You will progress over time. Celebrate your small victories and enjoy the process of learning and growing. Section 4. Basic yoga poses. Yoga is a wonderful practice that can help improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Today, we will explore some fundamental poses that are perfect for beginners. These poses will help you build a strong foundation for your yoga journey. Here are some basic yoga poses that you can start with. These poses are designed to be accessible and beneficial for everyone, regardless of your fitness level or experience with yoga. These poses are good for beginners because they are simple yet effective. They help you get acquainted with the basic principles of yoga, such as breath control, alignment, and mindfulness. First, mountain pose or Tadasana. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Ground your feet firmly into the mat. Lengthen your spine by imagining a string pulling you up from the top of your head. This pose helps improve posture and balance. Next, child's pose or Balasana. Kneel on your mat with your big toes touching. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward. This pose is great for relaxation and stretching the back. Bring your big toes together and gently sit back on your heels. This helps to stretch the hips, thighs, and ankles. Sit back on your heels and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose is excellent for calming the mind and relieving stress. Rest your forehead on the mat and breathe deeply. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine and the release of tension in your back. Then, downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Start on your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into the mat. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs as much as possible. This pose helps to strengthen the arms and legs while stretching the shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. Form an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your head between your arms and gaze towards your feet. This pose is invigorating and helps to improve overall body strength and flexibility. Finally, Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended behind you. Place your hands under your shoulders and press into the mat to lift your chest off the ground. Place your hands under your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. This pose helps to strengthen the spine and open the chest. Lift your chest off the ground, engaging your core muscles. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. This pose is excellent for improving posture and relieving tension in the back. Section 5. Integrating yoga into daily life. Make yoga a habit. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can transform your life in many positive ways. Practice a few times a week. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. You can practice yoga anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even in a park, yoga is versatile and adaptable to your surroundings. Find a quiet space in your home. A calm and clutter-free environment can enhance your practice and help you focus better. Practice yoga outdoors in nature. The fresh air and natural surroundings can deepen your connection to the practice and provide a refreshing experience. Listen to your body's needs. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your practice accordingly to avoid injury and maximize benefits. Some days you may need a gentle practice. On such days, opt for slower, more restorative poses to help you relax and unwind. Other days, you may feel more energetic. On these days, you can engage in more dynamic and vigorous sequences to boost your energy levels. Yoga can be a form of self-care. Incorporate it into your self-care routine along with meditation and relaxation techniques to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. It can help you connect with yourself. Through regular practice, you can develop a deeper understanding of yourself and cultivate inner peace. Yoga can bring joy and peace into your life. The sense of accomplishment and the physical and mental benefits can lead to a more joyful and peaceful existence. Section 6. Conclusion: Your yoga journey. Yoga is a wonderful practice for everyone. It offers many benefits for your mind and body. Starting your yoga journey is easy. Be patient and listen to your body. Embrace the practice of yoga. Enjoy the numerous benefits it brings. You are taking a positive step towards a healthier and happier you. Namaste.